my new house. I'm so happy that you're here. Who would have thought that there would be a moving vlog? Not me. We had no intentions of moving until about a week ago when I saw this house and was like, yeah. And somehow it all worked out and we're here and I'm so excited. Today is move-in day. I don't even know what the plan is. I just know we're gonna be trying to move everything out of our apartment today and into the house. This will be the first time I've been in a house. I lived in a house, obviously growing up, but I lived in a house for 1 year when I was in college, when I was a senior, and I've just been apartment living. And I'm so excited to be in a house, especially we have little dogs. I have stuff coming out my ears, like I have so much crap. I need more space. I have a basement and an attic for storage now. So this place is gonna be decked out for all the seasons, all the holidays, because now I have areas to store all the crap. I'm so excited. Let's start out with an empty house tour. First, before I start yapping, my name is Brooke if you're new here. I live in New York. I live with my boyfriend and his twin brother. I work an 8 to 5 in sales and marketing. I love making YouTube videos and all the social media things. I'd love to have you here if you want to subscribe. I love chatting with you guys and just hanging out. I really feel like we're friends. And without further ado, let's get into the empty apartment tour. It's a little bit messy because we made a couple trips last night. So I'm gonna overlay some videos I took when it was empty and clean. But let's start with the front door. This is the front door. What's nice is it has this little entry. This is so nice. It's one of those like shoe cabinets. I'm just covering up the house back there, but I love that it has a little separate entryway for shoes and all the things. So this door is also very cute. You turn and you have the living room. It's pretty long, so I'm very curious where we're gonna end up putting our couch, because in a perfect world, we'd put our couch right centered with the fireplace and mount our TV up there, but I'm not sure if that's gonna be possible, so we might have to put the couch in that corner. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. It's gonna be so cozy in the fall and winter having a fireplace. I'm so excited. Turn left. I love these arched doorways. What I love about this house is it's updated and modern in all the place that you'd want it to be, like the bathrooms and the kitchen, but then it has so much charm from the old house because this is a freshly renovated house. The guy literally bought this less than a year ago, fully renovated it. He did such a great job. I'm like wondering if he did it all by himself because everything he picked out, it looks so great, but I just love the old charm. Like for example, the trim around the windows. Just like the little things, you know? And the arched doorways, these were here before. Then you come into the kitchen, which I love. Again, it's so messy. I'm gonna overlay a nice clean version, but I really love this kitchen. The light fixtures are so cool. The nice big island. I was spoiled at my last apartment. This apartment that I'm currently in technically still with a nice big island. So the fact that I have it again, I'm so happy and grateful for. This fridge, I'm so excited about the double doors. It's gonna be amazing. Just some beer in there right now. 2 cases of beer actually, or no, the other cases, right there. But just a nice big fridge, and then it has an ice maker. This will be the first time I'm living with an ice maker since high school, since I was living with my parents. Can I get a hell yeah? Yep. We kind of started putting away some of the kitchen things. It's such a mess, like don't even look at it, but this backsplash, it's kind of like a greeny blue depending on the lighting that's coming in here. These gold fixtures, I actually didn't realize there were gold fixtures in the kitchen until we moved in last night and I was like, oh wow. Nice big windows, but we need to figure out what to do with like blinds or curtains or something because there aren't any in here. So off of the kitchen, this will be the pantry, and then off of there, this is the half bath. It's so teeny tiny and cute. There's the bathroom, then you turn, we got the washer and the dryer. I like the built-in stuff that he put in here. The shelving and then the hooks, super nice, especially because I live in New York and we got a lot of coats, okay? Then you turn down here, a couple steps. Out the back door, we have a deck and backyard for the dogs. Downstairs, we have the basement, which technically is finished, but we'll just be using it for a whole bunch of storage. So excited about that. I have not had storage like this, but I'm also scared because I'm like, I feel like once you have storage like that, how are you ever going to go back to like apartment living or not having storage? Not that I plan on doing that, but God forbid. And I've like hoarded a ton of stuff in the basement. So not saying I'm not going to hoard stuff. I will be, and I'm excited too. All right, let's pass through the kitchen, living room, go upstairs. Another. This is the bathroom. So there's 1.5 bathrooms. This bathroom is really cool. The tile goes all the way up to the ceiling, which I've really never seen before. And then this vanity. Brody loves this vanity so much. He thinks it's so cool. It's got like some wood texture. Same light fixtures as the bathroom downstairs and that similar vibe as the ones in the kitchen. So this is the only full bath with a shower bathtub. You just saw the half bath on the first floor, just the toilet, sink. Then there's another toilet in the basement. So technically we do have 2 half baths. And we come out, got some closet storage in here. I love the old doorknobs. This is like nailed shut. I don't know what this is. Anybody know? This is gonna be my bedroom, Brody and I's bedroom. Again, I'm gonna cover the house outside, but super nice. This is our closet. It's actually a decent size. I'm gonna give Brody this entire thing because this room is going to be my closet getting ready room. It's actually pretty small. You can't really tell on camera right now, but it's a pretty small room. So we'll be using this room for, you know, lots of storage things, and then probably put a bed in here eventually for guests. Over here is going to be Brody's brother's room, Garrett. He's already got some clothes in the closet. He actually has some shelving over here, which is really nice. It's a pretty deep closet, but this bedroom is much bigger than this room. And then this is the door that leads up to the attic. I'm like scared right now. I don't like it. All right. Like it wouldn't open just now, and I like really got freaked out. I'm like picturing somebody on the other side, like holding it. Also, these lights keep turning on automatically under here. This is what the switch is. If anybody knows how I turn them off, like I literally just turned them off. If you guys have any ideas for the spaces, let me know. Every time I've moved, you guys have helped me decorate and organize spaces. You come up with way better ideas than I do. So we'll see. It'll probably be better for you guys once you see like our couch in here and some of the stuff, so that you can actually then be like, okay, these are the open spaces. What do we do with them? But I'm so excited. I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning right now, just a little dusty in some spots before we start moving all the things in later. We were nervous that our TV isn't gonna fit up here, because in a perfect world, we want the TV up here. But we have a 75-inch, which is gonna be like this. It's gonna be huge, but it's gonna fit. It's gonna fit. Manifest. I keep singing, it's my house and I live here. It's my house and I live here. Watching them come down the stairs is so funny to me. Come on, guys. Come on, Fern. They're still getting used to the stairs because they're wood. They've only ever been down carpet stairs, but I fucked up my neck so bad yesterday. I don't know what I did. I took some ibuprofen for it last night, and once it kicked in, I felt perfectly normal. But of course, I wake up this morning and I'm like, oh my God. So I should have already taken this much earlier. I've never done anything like that, like pinch something or pull or like, what do they call it? Tweak something. Like I've never done anything like that. So I'm definitely feeling old. I'm feeling old. I'm in the third bedroom. That's gonna be closet, office, storage. It's such a mess. It's insane. I need to empty all of these bags because I need to bring them back over to the apartment because we still have so much stuff over there to bring over here. But last night we just set up the couch, set up the bed, brought the U-Haul back. I didn't do that, but the boys did. And then we crashed out. So this room is really cozy though. I'm loving the bedroom. Do you like it? Yeah. There's not gonna be any major organization or anything right now, maybe a little bit, but I'm just gonna take everything out, empty out these bags because we desperately need them to pack up the rest of the apartment. There's so much to do. My angel mom is with me at my apartment. We have packed up everything. It's such a mess in here. We need the boys. They're nowhere to be found.
No, they worked hard yesterday.
They worked hard yesterday. They'll be over later. Bedroom. We just have all the TVs still up on the walls. This giant TV, and then there's a TV in here, but we're gonna start packing up both of our cars with as much as we can and then head over to the house. We're definitely making progress. How are we gonna take this fish